diving deeper again into why software sucks, let's talk about custom software. So when you're building custom software, you really got to start with a solid foundation, putting the system together, and really the user when we see the top part of it. So if you think of it like an iceberg, right? So you've got the part the user sees, and you've got all the stuff in the foundation underneath it. So what happens when we go through these types of development processes, if we're doing something like maybe a software development lifecycle waterfall where you do all your planning and everything up front, is that long time period, things change in the business. So we talked about maybe 18 months later, 6 months later, it's finished and it's to scope, it's to what you wanted to do, but it's not exactly what you need to do now because your business has been changing and adapting. The other side of it is the agile approach where you build kind of a piece at a time, and that's all fine and great. However, as things change over time, you find yourselves the top part of your iceberg drifting without the bottom part. So you might find yourself building stuff over here or over here, but you don't give your development teams enough time to actually shore up the foundation underneath it. So, to use a different analogy, if you ever come into a project that has this constant iteration, constant changing, just to help the users out without giving time to support the base tier, what you're going to find is, in a house analogy, you come into somebody's house and there's a toilet sitting there in the living room. It's like, what the hell is the toilet doing here? Well, originally that was supposed to be a bathroom. So that kind of stuff doesn't work in construction and it doesn't work in software. It's just easier to hide, and that sucks.